Hi, welcome to my channel. Today we are building our own AI chatbot in Python. Imagine coding a chatbot that answers your questions and even give advice. Let's make it happen. By the end of this video, we will have a working chatbot and the skills to make it even smarter. So yeah, let's dive in. A chatbot is basically a program that listens to what you say and responds back. But how does it know what to say, right? That's where Python's if-elif logic and random response come in. So let's start coding. First, we will import Python's random module so our chatbot can pick different responses instead of repeating the same response every time. So I will just import Python's random module and import random. That's it. We want our chatbot to randomly choose from multiple responses and make it feel even more natural, right? So that's where all the functions and methods which are available in random will take care of that. Now, let's define some fun chatbot responses. Instead of just one answer per question, we will have multiple choices. So let me do that. Okay, so here I have created a dictionary, okay, called response, and I have created 4 categories of response. So greeting, farewell, unknown, and general. Each category has a couple of responses. So for greeting, I have hello, hey there, hi, how can I help you, greetings, human. So these are the funny response I've added. Now in farewell, we have goodbye, see you later. So yeah, these are the responses which we will be showing it to the user randomly. Now we will write a function that analyzes what the user says and pick a response. So here is what I have defined in this program, in this function. So the name of the function is AI underscore bot underscore respond, and this function will take a user input. Okay, we have to pass a parameter when we are calling this function, converting that function, that user input, into lowercase. For we are converting it so that it becomes easier when we are doing the comparison. So this is the part where I'm analyzing users input and returning an appropriate response to the user. So how I'm doing that is, so if any word, word is a variable. So if any word in user list, okay, we are checking for any word in the user list, and that word is in hi, hello, hi, and hey, we are returning a response from greetings category. And if any word in the user input is bye or goodbye or see you, we are returning a response from farewell. And if any word in the user's input is like how are you, how is it going, then we are returning a random response from this list, this dictionary, yeah, this part. Else part is returning a random response from general category. This is the logic for it. Now let's move on to the next one. If you have used a chatbot before, you must have seen that this chatbot keeps on chatting. It never stops. So the conversation goes into loop, right? Infinite loop. For example, you might have used ChatGPT or DeepSeek. So if you see there, the conversation, it keeps on going. It doesn't stop. Now, this particular chatbot is not going to be like ChatGPT or DeepSeek. This is just for beginner, but I hope you got the idea. Now, we need to keep this program running. So what I'll do is I will create a while loop, infinite while loop, so that our chatbot keeps on responding to the user's questions, right? So let's do that. All right, we have our program ready now. So what I've done here is, as I was saying, that our chatbot should keep running. It should not stop, right? Unless the user type exit. If the user want to quit, then we have to stop our chatbot. Otherwise, our chatbot should not stop, right? So here is what I have done. I've created a loop, while loop, and the condition in the while loop is true. So this is going to run infinitely. I'm asking for users input inside the while loop. So I'm saying it will wait for user input, and I'm accepting that user input in user underscore msg variable. Here I am checking if user underscore msg, the value in that variable is exit. If it is exit, so here I'm just printing a response from our farewell category from here. And we have a break statement here which will break the loop. Our control will come out of the loop, so it should stop the program from running. What if user did not enter exit? What if the user has entered something like let's say hi, or maybe how are you? So in the else part, what I'm doing is I'm just printing chatbot. I'm calling our AI underscore bot underscore response function, and I'm passing our user's input. Now from here, the control will go to this part. We are converting the input into lowercase, and again we are checking the logic. Based on the logic, we will get a response here. So, and the print statement will print that response. Now before we run this program, let me add a couple of print statement. So I'll just add, so let me add a couple of emojis to our responses and to our print statement, so that it looks good in the output. So I'm here at ChatGPT, and I'm copying the emoji from here and pasting it over here. So like this, and I'll give it here. and here. That's it. Okay, I'll add a couple of more emojis. Okay, this should be fine. Alright, so I have added a couple of emojis in our program. Now let me save my program first. So I'll say AI chatbot.py. I'll execute our program for the first time and let's fix if there are any bugs. So here, chatbot hello, type exit to end the chat. So I'll say hi, tell me more, how are you? Okay, so we have a bug in our code. Let's fix that bug and see. Okay, so the issue is, since I have added the response directory dictionary here, but in the response dictionary, my bad, we don't have any of this, right? So I'll just remove the response dictionary from here, and I think that should be fine now. I'll clear the screen and I will execute the program one more time. Alright, so we have it. So I'll again say hi. That's interesting. How are you? I don't have a feeling, but I'm here to chat. How is it going? That's interesting. What's interesting? Tell me more. You tell me more. Bye. Goodbye. Exit. So we have seen the output of this program, and I know that this is a simple program and the output is not very dynamic and interesting. But if you want to make this program even more cooler, what you can do is you can add a mood detector, and the chatbot will react based on your mood, like happy, sad, angry. You can also use chatbot API like Chatterbot to make it even more smarter. You can also save the chat history, so that it remembers the past conversation, right? These are the enhancements we can do to our program to make it even more fun and cooler. So that's it. We just built a Python AI chatbot, right? I know this is not a very advanced, AI chatbot, but for a beginner, this is a great project to start, right? Try this program by yourself. Add custom responses, try to add more funny responses from the chatbot and see what is the result, and what you can comment if you have any questions. Alright, for the next video I haven't planned anything specific, but if you guys have any mini project on your mind, do please comment below. I will work on that project and upload the video. Alright, if this video helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more Python challenges or more Python project. Let's keep coding. Thank you for watching. See you next time.